What's going on, guys? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today Grand Design released the first image of their brand new motorized RV. This is the Grand Design Lineage. Let's get to it. Before we get into this video though, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and travel adventures. Alright, so the Grand Design Lineage. It's a Class C motorhome and is the very first motorized RV by Grand Design. So Grand Design is now owned by Winnebago, which might be the reason why it looks a lot like the Echo and that they're coming out with the first motorized RV after like 10 plus years of only making travel trailers and fifth wheels. But enough about the Echo and more about the Lineage. So this right here is a quote from the president and CEO of Grand Design talking about why the name Lineage. The Lineage name recognizes that the brand is an extension of our strong Grand Design foundation while simultaneously representing what it has passed forward over time. It recognizes our relentless commitment to both being dealer-centric and customer-focused, said Don Clark. Based on what I've heard recently about Grand Design being customer-focused, that doesn't really match up. But let's continue. We are looking forward to bringing the quality, innovation, and service we are known for in the towable market to a brand new product and segment. Lineage Class C will be our first foray into motorized, but there will be much more to follow. So what does this mean? They're going to maybe start making Class A's, even though the Class A market isn't really doing well right now. We don't know. But it sounds like there's a lot more to come. Now, Grand Design, they have made travel trailers and fifth wheels for the past 10 plus years, but this is their first motorized RV. And they're calling it a Class C, which to me it looks more like a B plus because it's got a van as the chassis and not a truck. But we'll see. Let's take a look on the outside of this RV. If you look at the picture that they released, you can see that there's a slide out on the driver's side, which could be more of maybe a Murphy bed or maybe a trifold sofa. Now, on the one side, there hardly aren't any windows except for one, which maybe there's just a kitchen and a bathroom on that side to where there isn't space for that. But I would hope that the other side, or maybe the back, would at least have a window. Also above the cab there's a window, which means maybe there will be a small bed up there, but I don't know, that might be a little tight. So again, this is the first image released about the Grand Design RV. So I'm excited to see this new RV from Grand Design. It will be coming out in about July, they said. They released this promo video showing that it is a Mercedes chassis. And now, as we can see on the first image they've released now, it is a B plus RV with the Mercedes Sprinter, even though Grand Design's calling it a Class C. Now on this RV, it looks like you do have some side baggage doors. I just don't know if there's going to be much space in those because it does look a little small. But like I said, there's only one window on the passenger side. There is one on the door, but you only got one that opens up. So it'll be neat to see how they made this floor plan and kind of the layout and to see if it is still light and bright, which might be the reason why they put in a skylight above the cab if there isn't a bed there. Now, it will be really neat to see how Grand Design has laid out the floor plan and if it will just be a generic floor plan that we've seen a million times or if it will be something new. So all of that will be coming up in July. I will keep you guys updated on it if anything else comes out, but hopefully this will be the start of something new for Grand Design, and maybe they're just trying to move into a different direction. Who knows? But it'll definitely be neat to see what they've done with this RV, and I don't know when we'll be able to see it in person, but yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and travel adventures. See you on the road.